Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAUUSD. We can see that lower time frame can give us significant trading opportunity. Before we look at how we can enter into a trade on the lower time frame, let's quickly look at highest time frame and then we'll be jumping onto the lower time frame to see how we can find opportunity. Looking at the monthly overall picture in this market is bullish. We can see that from here there was a very strong bounce followed by pullback, and we can see that this is in another impulsive phase. Now previous monthly candle is a bull candle. We see that there is a long wick at the top. In this month we can see XAU USD initially dropped, which is very healthy in a trending market. After this initial pullback, the market currently trying to break this previous monthly high. This is the resistance line, and we see the price already touched that level. We might see now a potential higher high if the market, the way we see that on the lower time frame. Dropping down to the weekly, looking at weekly, we can see also a typical bullish market structure. Looking at bigger picture here, we can see there is an inverted head and shoulder, breakout, and then pullback. So along the way, we see multiple liquidity grab. There is this doji here on the weekly. We saw that it crossed this green candle's low, close above with a long wick that has a rejection candle that has given a momentum. And along the way, we see quite a few doji formation. And last week also, we saw a very strong pain bar, which is a strong rejection from this weekly level. And as a result, this week we can see that the market showing significant bullish. And as it is approaching this high, what I think that if the market managed to break this high, which is almost nearly there, we could see a potential breakout here, as this is an all-time high and there's no man's land here. We might see if the market managed to break out, there will be a lot of liquidity here, and we could see that there might be rejection to the upside. Now, if we look at the daily to see overall market structure on the daily, there was a break of structure here. You saw that from this level there was a drop, which is in fact a break of this significant support level. The price crossed that 20 EMA and then closed with this bullish engulfer on the daily time frame, and that's the sign that the market might preparing for a bigger move. And we saw that also there is another candle here which is also a strong bullish engulfer. Previous day we see that the candle has closed with a long wick at the top. Now previous daily candle signaling potential further upside, as this long wick in fact represents a pullback, so which is a sign of healthy market trend. We saw that with the open, the market made this move to the resistance, has come down for a pullback, and we can expect a new higher high. So to enter potential trading opportunity further later, we can expect deeper pullback. If the market managed to drop to the daily support level here later today or nearing there, can give us potential bullish opportunity, as this is a very strongly bull market in all time frame. I would prefer to go long in any situation. So let's look at the 15-minute chart to see how the market is evolving. Now in this lower time frame, we see that there was a consolidation, which is basically potentially forming a head and shoulder here. Though the trend is the primary concern here, we always need to look for the trend first before any pattern. But this head and shoulder may give a lower momentum here, which is in fact potentially we might see again a retest of the daily support. That's what I'm aiming for. If the market managed to break from that head and shoulder, dropping down to this support, which is basically below this level, is an important zone here. And we see quite a few narrow candle formation. This is a high liquidity zone. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect a drop, retest, and then continuation pattern. So this is where I will be waiting for potential entry or break of this support. We'll see how the price is reacting to that level. As there is a news coming also, we might see a break of this support, which is basically potentially forming a head and shoulder. So this is where I will be waiting for potential entry or break of this support. We'll see how the price is reacting to that level. As there is a news coming also, we might see a break of this support, which is basically potentially forming a head and shoulder. sideway movement until the news and then drop, or before the news we could see the drop, and then with the news after and a spike we may see the trend continuation. So let's see how the price reacting to this liquidity zone or below this level, and based on that price action confirmation we will be looking for potential bullish trading opportunity in the market. I hope that traders you enjoyed this free education and analysis. If you enjoy, make sure you smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel for more trade ideas as well as education like this. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.